Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the SplitWise app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step. So at here you will just open your SplitWise. Okay. Then here you have to click on the login, and then when you just log in, then you can split your bill into your friends, and your friends also can pay by this Splitwise app. So this is very easy process. You can also do it, and you can use this app to split your your room bill, your restaurant bill, and many other apps. So if you have any doubt, you can, or any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.